Okay, good morning. Today's topic is some of the other tags in Visualforce. Previously, you have some idea about the input tags, output tags, some other tags. Today, you are going to know about the tab panel and then tab. These two different tags. Here, what is exactly tab panel? Here, tab panel is used to create a tab section on a header of the Visualforce page. Here, you will create the tab section. Within a tab section, you will create the different tags. Within each and every tag, you have to add the some simple content in a tab or input fields, some of the input fields, and then some of the links for the tab panel, and then the syntax for the tab panel like this. Here the tab panel switch type is a type is a any type, and then the select the tab selected tab, and then that means appear tab, that is a, and then id, that means id in the sense it is a identification, that is a unique value. And then coming to the another one is a tab. Here the tab tag is a child of the tab panel tag. Here each and every tab panel you will create the child tag, that is called here tab. Here in order to represent that information, go to website. How can you go to the salesforce.com? Here login.salesforce.com. In a login.salesforce.com you have to create the tab panel. Here I want to create the one new Visual Force page. How can you create the Visual Force page? Here go to home, and then here you will write the tab apex slash some page name. For example, tab panel is a page name. Here this is a tab panel is a page name, and then execute this one. Okay, here creating new page. Here the page panel tab panel does not exist, that means you will create the new page. Here if you create the new page, the page appears like this. Here this is a page. Here you have a some code is there. Here if you go to the I'm going to write the tab panel. How can you write the tab panel? If you see the syntax here, if you comes to the syntax, the syntax consists of like this. The syntax in this case here, apex tab panel switch type equal to client, and then that means selected tab, which tab starting is selected, switch type, and then these attributes required. The first you have to write the apex field. Here apex colon tab panel. Here the tab panel consists of is tab panel. Here the attributes. Here what are the attributes you require? Some three different attributes. One is a switch type, and then selected tab, and then id required. Here before that, what is the switch type? Here switch type, the type of the switch. Here you may take any one client, and then the next important one selected tab. You, that means I did not write any tab here. That means next thing here you have to write the tab. Then what is the tab? In between a tab panel you have to write the simple tab. Here what is the syntax for the tab? The syntax for the tab here is a apex tab label. Here you may write any label, and then name, the name of the name, and then id. You require three different fields for the tab. Here go to salesforce.com. Here you have to write the apex colon tab, apex colon tab. What are the attributes here? The attributes are three different attributes are there. The one is a the label, second one is a name and id. Label, name, id. Here the first one here is a label. Label, what is a label? Here you may write any label. Here, for example, first tab, one tab, and then first label, and then the name attribute. Here, for example, name one is the attribute, and then ID. Required ID is a very important thing. ID, for example, you may write any one. Let us assume ID. Here, if you execute this one, it shows output like this. Yeah, here one is a tab. That means I did not write any content here. I am going to write in the first tab content. This is tab content. This is first tab content. Similarly, you may write the second tab and third tab. Yeah. Next, you have to write the second tab here. Apex colon tab, apex colon tab. Here, the attributes here. What are the attributes? Label. The first attribute here is a label. Label here is a, for example, I am writing the two label two, and then name. Here, the name here, for example, let us assume two, and then ID. A required ID also. For example, as I am taking the two. If you execute this one, yeah, two tabs existed here. Yes, these tabs appear just like a, here for example, here home tab is there, college tab is there. If you want to execute like this, you may execute these tabs also. For example, I want to execute the home tab. Here I'm going to writing the tab name, not a one. I'm going to writing the label. Here is a home tab. The first tab here is a home. The second tab here is a college. College tab. Like that, you may write that means initially the tab here is a switch to client. Initially, this tab here, one tab is there. That means, for example, if you execute this one, initially it is in home tab. Here, at the time, I need only college tag. For example, this is college tab. That means here you may write the contents. You may this in this content you may write the some of the input fields also. That means you may use the some of the links also here. In this area you may write the some of the input fields. Similarly, you may take the another tab. For example, another tab here is a DEPT tab. For example, the label here is a DEPT. Here, the name here is a, for example, ID. You have to differentiate the ID. This is called here, not a college tab. This is a DEPT tab. In this way, if you execute this one, you are here creating the three different tabs. Yeah, the first tab. That means initially it is selecting the only first tab. That means I initially at the time of opening I want to selecting the college tab. I'm going to selecting the college tab. For this purpose, you will use a selected tab in a tab panel. Selected tab. The selected tab here is a the name of the tab. You may use the selected tab here is a what is the name? For example, two. The name of the tab here is a for example double word two. Here, for example, if you execute this one, yeah, that's not like that. Initially, it's selecting the one tab, selected tab, not a ID here, name, two, three. Verify the syntax for this one, selected tab syntax. Here, if you verify the switch to client and selected tab, name to ID equal to tab panel. For example, name equal to 2. That means it is a differentiate. I want to differentiate. Name to, let us assume. Let us assume name 3. Here selected tab here is a name to, let us assume. Yeah, it is not selecting the tab. Okay, in this way you will creating the different tabs. Similarly, you may create the for the employee, you may create the another tab. For example, for the employee, I'm going to creating the another tab here. emp name equal to name 4, let us assume, and then id equal to, for example, 4, uh, and then another tab. Finally, student tab, name equal to name 5. This is in this way you will create the different tabs using tab and tab panel. This is in, okay. If you execute this one, you will create the different tab panels. Here in this area, you will write the labels. For example, I'm going, if you want to write the input label here, for example, the college, that means here I'm going to write the one tag here, input. You may write the input tags, you may write the output tags, like that. You may write different label also, the content of the labels, different labels also you may include in between these tags. Okay, thank you.